stock is in focus today, and that's Maruti Suzuki. The stock is trading with gains of about 0.5% right now. The company plans to boost its solar capacity across all facilities with almost 1,000 crore rupee investment. Samir is tracking the story with more details, and he's joining us on the show. Samir.
Indian auto giant Maruti Suzuki has planned to invest 925 crore in the direction of clean and green energy for its solar power expansion plan. And they have set an ambitious target to achieve 319 megawatt of solar power by the financial year 2030-31. And to achieve this target, they are moving in the direction. They are having a short-term targets as well. For the next 5 years, Maruti is looking to have 45 to 50 megawatt of solar power. And so far, Maruti has reached to 79 megawatt of solar power. This year itself, they have installed solar power at its Kharkhoda plant. 20 megawatt of capacity it has been installed, and additional 10 megawatt capacity has been installed at Manesar plant. So a 30 megawatt of solar power, this capacity they have installed in less than a year. That is what they claim so, and they are looking to reach to 319 megawatt of solar power production or the expansion plan in the next 5 years. And for the same, the company is looking to invest around 925 crore. And Maruti understands that when they will be able to achieve this 319 megawatt of solar power at its various manufacturing facility, then they will be able to meet 85% of its total energy requirement. And in a long-term prospect, this will help the auto giant to save significantly when it comes to the power procurement or the power consumption.